In this video, I want to talk about this Sun Joe pressure washer. To start, the water coming into the pressure washer comes from your house. Right here where it connects, it has a nice easy to grip connection where the hose goes in. Then your power on and off is right here. So when you're not using it, you can turn it off. A cool feature that this has is it has these two containers that you can put cleaner in, and it will mix in with the water. This is the dial, and what's really cool is you can have two different types of cleaner, or you can have two of these full of the same, but you can select and adjust right here. So this would be, if you go all the way this way, it would be whatever cleaner is in here. Say you had concrete cleaner on this side and you stopped cleaning concrete and you wanted to use all-purpose cleaner, you can switch it to the other side. And then this dial, you can dial it back if you want a little less cleaner or soap, or if you're in the middle, it won't be pulling any of these cleaners up in it if you wanted to rinse and just use water. This is the gun right here that sits nicely in the unit itself, and it comes with different tips. So if you spin this around, you'll see that it conveniently has them all sitting right here. So we'll start with this one. This is a soap tip. This is if you want to pre-soak something, you use that. We'll show you how to use that in a little bit. And we'll start with the widest tip right here, 40 degrees, and then it goes all the way down to 0. So I'm just going to show you how all of these work. We're going to clean something. I've used this to clean my deck. I've used it to clean my driveway, my house before I paint. Very universal pressure washer. And today we're going to clean a carpet. But first I'm going to show you on my driveway the different tips that come with this thing. I'm going to turn the pressure washer on, and then I'm going to grab my wand, flip this around, and I'm going to grab my 40-degree tip. And what's nice about this is it has a quick disconnect. So to put the tip on, you just push it, and then to take it off, you just pull back here and it pops off. So I'm going to test all these out. Here's a 40-degree. And then you can rotate this if you want. So all the degrees mean is that it makes a wider fan for how the water comes out. So that's 40 degrees. Next one is 25. Pop it on like that. And you'll see it's a smaller fan. Next step up is where we get a little sketchy about using this on a driveway because I don't want to ruin it. This is a 15-degree. I'm going to hold it away from the driveway a little bit because there is a lot of pressure. And then the last one is a 0 tip. So this is, I'm really not going to use this on the driveway. What I'm going to do is I'll grab this brick so I can show you. Just right here, we have some discoloration. Let's see what we can do to clean this. Oh yeah. And like I said, you'll want to be careful because this does have a ton of pressure. So anything like a driveway, I could probably put a hole in it, and definitely in your house. So like wood siding or something like that. So just be careful, use responsibly. I've used this pressure washer on my driveway. I've used it on my deck that has composite decking and vinyl. I've used it on my foundation, concrete pad, and all kinds of things. What I haven't tried yet is to clean a carpet with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the soap feature. I'm gonna soak this down and then I'm gonna spray it. And this is getting pretty dirty, so I'm gonna see what this thing can do to clean it. As you can see, this is where our coffee table is. Nice and clean in the center. And then all around it is all nasty. So let's pre-soak it. I have my cleaner in here. I'm gonna turn this dial all the way. So this is gonna suck up the soap, and then I'm gonna use the soap tip and I'm gonna soak that carpet. Now that it's soaked, you can definitely tell that the center is nice and clean, and we got to pull that dirt out of the sides. So I'm going to let this soak for a little bit and then we'll spray it down. Okay, 25 degree. Let's see. That's awesome. Pressure washing is so satisfying. By the way, this is marketed as a washable rug. You can put it in your washing machine, and we just washed this thing like last week and we've washed it several times, and obviously this is doing a much better job. That was fun. So that is a little bit about this Sun Joe pressure washer. I could probably use this thing every day and have a good time. So we'll just end the video here and I'll let you do the pressure washing. Thanks for watching. Hope the video helps. That was satisfying.